It's Memorial Day weekend, and to celebrate, we're making a suffering bastard. From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. My name is Suzanne. The Suffering Bastard was a tiki cocktail created in Egypt in the 1940s by a bartender named Joe Scialom. And if you hear the name Shalom, you're probably thinking to yourself, that guy's Jewish, and he was. He worked in this bar. It was the long bar in the Shepherd's Hotel in Cairo, and apparently this was the bar where everybody who was anybody would go at that time. And Joe would make the Suffering Bastard as a hangover remedy for British soldiers who were dehydrated from the desert and tired from fighting Nazis and needed something to battle that wicked hangover so they could get back to the field and restore freedom to the world. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna take our shaker and we're gonna start out with ½ ounce of lime juice. Fresh squeezed, of course. And the spirits used in the Suffering Bastard are a really unusual blend. It's gin and bourbon, and so this week we're using a London dry gin. We're using Plymouth, which is totally solid, reliable choice, 1 ounce. And if you've ever made a Moscow Mule or a Dark and Stormy, I feel like this drink is kind of a cousin to those because it uses ginger ale or ginger beer, excuse me, as one of the ingredients. Okay, and then for the bourbon, we're using Four Roses bourbon, 1 ounce. So it's a split base. All right. In you go. We're going to add Angostura bitters. So, teachable moment, Angostura bitters are something that you just got to have in every quality home bar. Angostura bitters are the iconic aromatic bitter. Woo. And you use 2 ounces. Try not to make a mess when you do that. So just 2 shakes right into the tin. Something to keep your hands off. All right. So we're gonna put that in. It's gonna add some flavor. Aromatic bitters are, they're basically bitter herbs and they're in alcohol and they've got some sugar in it and they're very, very potent. So just add it sparingly, but a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so we've got all that in our tin and we're gonna add our cubed ice. Ooh. All right. Get the tin about 2/3 full. Those last little bits out. Come on, guys. There we go. Okay. And then we'll do a nice shake for about 15 seconds. Okay. So now that we've shaken our Suffering Bastard, let's get it into the drink with a open pour. Alright. And then we're going to top with ginger beer. Not ginger ale, ginger beer. I'm using Sprouts ginger beer. It's very spicy and assertive. Ginger ale is not what you want to use. You want to use ginger beer just to top it off real gently. Ginger ale is very mild flavored, whereas ginger beer definitely has an assertive bite, and this drink is all about the bite. So you don't want to lose the carbonation, so just take your bar spoon and just give it a real nice, gentle stir to combine. Alright, and then the garnish. So we're going to use a orange wedge. Just put that on the side, which is nice, real pretty. And then I've got some mint from my garden. Let's use this one, okay? Just give it a nice slap to kind of release the fragrances. It smells good, guys. Just stick it in there, just kind of nestle that in. Real pretty. And there you have it, my friends. Suffering Bastard. Okay, let's take a sip. definitely a very flavorful drink. When you drink it, you get hit by the scent of the mint, and the ginger is really assertive. And again, the bourbon and gin is kind of an unusual combination, but I think they really work here. The gin is slightly piney, and that really, you get a subtle note of that. And then the bourbon, I think, along with the Angostura, really plays up the spiciness of the ginger. So that's it for this week, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe and drink responsibly. A little bit of a bastard, and everyone, you should get your bastard on for sure. It really is good. This is a drink for folks who like ginger. If you don't like ginger, this is not for you. Assertive drink is not messing around, guys. If you don't like strong flavors, this is not for you.